Screen porch or covered patios? It sounds like a simple choice until you realize you are making a decision that affects how you use your backyard for the next 20 years. So here's how to get it right before you build anything. I'm Lon, founder of Deck Bros. We build both of these structures, and one of the most common conversations I have with homeowners is this exact question. And the answer is never the same twice, because it comes down to how you actually live and how you want that space to feel. So let's start why this decision matters. When you get it wrong, you don't just lose money. You lose years of actually enjoying your space. I've seen homeowners build covered patios and never use it because of bugs, or build a screen porch and feel boxed in because they want open air. Now they are paying to fix something they could have gotten right in the first place. So let's break down the difference. A covered patio is open. You have a roof, shade, protection, but the sides are open. You feel the breeze, you hear everything. It feels like being outside with a roof. A screen porch is enclosed. You still get the outdoor feel, but now you have a barrier. No bugs, more protection, but less airflow. That is the trade-off most people don't realize. So how do you decide? I always ask homeowners the same question. How do you actually use your backyard right now? Not how you want to use it. How you use it today. Do you entertain? Sit outside in the morning? Have kids or dogs running in and out? Then I ask this. What is the number one reason you are not outside more? This answer tells you everything. If it's bugs, you should be looking at a screen porch. If it's heat, sun, or rain, a covered patio might solve it. If you want to feel like you're fully outside, covered patios wins. If you want to feel like an extra room, screen porch wins. The structure should follow your lifestyle, not the other way around. Now let's talk about climates. Where you live matters. In high humidity, bug-heavy area, a screen porch is almost necessary. In milder climate, a covered patio can be used year-round with the right setup. Most people underestimate how much bug affect how often they actually use the space. Now let's talk costs. A covered patio is simpler to build. A screen porch adds structure, material, and labor, so it will typically cost more. What are you paying for an added function of a usable outdoor room? Both can be upgraded with lighting, fan, kitchen, and more. But covered patios give you more flexibility because they are open. So here's how I break it down simply. Choose a covered patio if you want open air, flexibility, and a more connected outdoor feel. Choose a screen porch if bugs are the problem, or if you want a space to feel more like a room. And in some cases, both make sense. I built projects with a screen area for daily use and an open section for entertaining. If your space and budget allow it, that's worth considering. Here's what you should do next. Before you talk to a contractor, answer these 3 questions. What is the main reason you're not using your backyard now? What does your ideal backyard moment look like? And do you want to feel inside, looking out, or outside under open air? Write those down. Bring them into every conversation. The right contractor will build around those answers. If this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to see exactly what the full build process looks like, check out the next video. I'll see you there.